Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn Standard 9 Algebra. In the previous video, we have learned Practice Set 7.4. In today's video, we will learn Practice Set 7.5 of 7th lesson Statistic. Before starting practice set, just we learn children meaning of mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode are three kinds of averages. There are many averages in statistics, but these are, I think, the three most common and are certainly the three you are most likely to encounter in your pre-statistic courses. Children, these three are the most common averages in statistics. Okay. Let's learn meaning of mean. The mean is the average you are used to, where you add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. You know, children, how to find the average. Okay. So here is a one example, children. There are total 4 numbers are there. 7, 4, 5, 8. Okay, we have to find the average of these numbers. So first what we have to do, we have to add all the numbers and divide it by number of numbers. Total number, how many are there? 4. So that's why in denominator place we have to take 4. 24 divided by 4, we get 6. 6 is the average of these numbers. Okay, children, average and mean both are same. In statistic, average is known as mean. Now, our next topic is median. The median is the middle value in the list of numbers. To find the median, your numbers have to be listed in numerical order from smallest to largest. Median means, children, middle value. For finding the median, first of all, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, children? After arranging, we have to see when the number of observation is odd. Okay? If number of observations is odd, then the median is the value of the middle number. Here one example, children. 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many numbers are there, children? Here 7 numbers. Okay. So this 7 is an odd number. So we remove left side 3 and right side 3. So middle which number is remains, children? 6. So 6 is the median of these observations. Now the next condition of median. When the number of observations is even, median is the average of middle two numbers. Okay, children, let's see one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Here total how many numbers are there, children? Total 8 number. 8 is the even or the odd number, children? Okay, 8 is a even number. So in this condition, children, remove from left side equal numbers and remove equal numbers from right hand side. Here the two number will remain, children, in the middle. So here we have to find the average of that two numbers. So what we have to do? 4 plus 5 divided by 2. We get, children, 4.5. Okay, these are the two conditions of median. Now the next topic, mode. The score which is repeated maximum number of times in the given data is known as the mode of the data. Mode means, children, the score which is repeated maximum number of times. For example, any particular number is repeating maximum times, then that number is the mode of that given data. For example, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7. Which number is repeating maximum time, children? Tell me. 7. So 7 is the mode of given data. Understood, children? Okay. In short, children, we can remember these three averages. First one, mean. Regular meaning of average. Mean means what, children? Average. This much only keep in the mind. Enough. Okay. Now next, median. Median means what, children? Middle value. Okay. Now next, mode. Mode means what, children? Most often. Or you can remember, children, maximum repetition. Mode means what, children? Maximum repetition. That also you can keep in your mind. Now let's begin, children. Practice set 7.5. Question number 1. Yield of soybean as per acre in quintals in Mukunda's field for 7 years was 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. Find the mean of yield per acre. Children, here we have to find the mean. Mean means, just now I have explained what it means, children. Average. Here we have to find the average of these numbers. So first of all, solution. Given data equal to 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. N equal to 7 means total how many numbers are there? 7. So n equal to 7. Therefore mean equal to 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 7. When we add all the numbers, children, we get 49. Divided by 7, we get, children, 7. So the average is what, children? 7. So the statement, mean yield per acre is 7 quintals. Okay. Now second question. Find the median of the observations 59, 75, 68, 70, 74, 75, 80. Here, children, we have to find the median. Okay. Solution. Write the given data in the ascending order. First of all, children, we have to write in ascending order. Okay. So first, what is the smallest number, children? 59. So take down. After that, which is the smallest one? 68, 70, 74, 75, 75 and 80. Whenever you are finding the median, it's compulsory, children, to arrange in ascending order. Okay. Without arranging ascending order, you are solving the sum, then it is a wrong, children. Okay. The first step is given data you have to arrange in ascending order. Okay. Now n equal to 7. How many total number of numbers are there, children? Here 7. Total how many numbers? 7. So 7 is the even or the odd, children? Odd. So whenever numbers are in odd, so the middle number is the median of that given data. Okay. So here, children, median is the value of the middle number. Okay, children. The middle number is 74. Which is the middle number, children? Here total how many? 7 are there, children. Okay. So from your left hand side, remove the 3 numbers. From your right hand side, remove the 3 numbers. 3, if we removed in the middle, 74 remains, children. So 74 is the median of this data. Okay. Now the final statement, median is 74. Third one. The marks out of 100 obtained by 7 students in the mathematics examinations are given below. 99, 100, 95, 100, 100, 80, 90. Find the mode of this marks. Mode means what I told, children. Okay, just now I have explained. Mode means, children. Okay, tell me. Maximum frequency. Okay, maximum repetition. So which number is repeating more times, children, tell me from the given data? Yeah children, 100. So 100 is the mode of this data. Solution: write the given data in ascending order. Okay children, first we have to write the given data in ascending order. 80, 90, 95, 99, 100, 100, 100. So which number is repeating maximum times? 100. Here the maximum frequency of score is 100. Okay children. Answer: mode of marks is 100. Okay. Question number 4. Practice yourself. Question number 5. In a basket, there are 10 tomatoes. The weight of each tomato in grams is as follows: 60, 70, 90, 95, 50, 65, 70, 80, 85, 95. Find the median of the weights of tomatoes. Here children, we have to find the median, okay, of the weight of tomatoes. For finding the median, what we have to do children? The first step is what? First of all children, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay. So, solution: write the given data in the ascending order. Which is the smallest number here children? 50. After that, which one is there? 60, 65, 70, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 95. Okay children, the first step we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. Now children, n equal to 10. We have to count the numbers. Okay, how many total numbers are there children? 10. So 10 is the even or the odd? Even. So whenever the even children, okay, we have to find the average of middle two numbers. Okay. Median, if the average of middle two numbers. Median is average of 70 and 80. Okay children. Therefore, median equal to 70 plus 80 divided by 2 equal to 150 upon 2 equal to 75. Okay children, this way we have to find the median weight of tomatoes. Whenever children number is even, okay, then we have to find the average of middle two numbers. The final statement children: the median weight of the tomatoes is 75 gram. Question number 6. A hockey player has scored following number of goals in 9 matches: 540224433. Find mean, median and mode of the data. Here children, the question is 1. In this question we have to find 3 things. First one is mean, median and mode. Okay children, first we find the mean. The given data 540224433. N equal to 9. Total how many numbers are there children? 9. Therefore, mean equal to 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 9. Add all the numbers children. We get 27 upon 9. 9 ones are 9 threes are. So what we get children here? 3. Now next, for second and third, write the given data in ascending order. For finding the mean, for finding the mode and median, we want the data in ascending order. Okay, children? So that's why we arrange the data in ascending order. 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Okay, children? Now we find what, children? Tell me. Median. N equal to 9. Median is the value of the middle number. Here total how many numbers are there, children? 9. 9 is the even or odd, children? Tell me. Okay, tell. Odd number. So whenever odd, children, median is the middle number. Okay. The middle number is 3. Okay, children. Remove from here 4 from your right hand side 4. So middle one number will remain, that is the 3, children. Okay. Now next, what we will find out? Mode. Here the maximum frequency of goals is 4. Okay, children. Which number is maximum times repeated, children? Tell me. 2 how many times repeated? 2 times. 3 how many times repeated? 2 times. And 4 is repeated how many times, children? 3 times. So that's why the mode is what, children? 4. Mode equal to 4. Therefore, the final statement, children, mean is 3, median is 3, mode is 4. Okay, children, this way we have to find out. Question number 7 to question number 14, omitted, children. These questions will not come in your exam.